My name is Tim Sutinen from PrivacyProShop.com. In March of 2023, Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank suddenly failed and threatened the entire banking system with serious problems. In response, the US Treasury, FDIC, and Federal Reserve created a massive bailout and saved the day. But they also said that if this were to happen again, they would not bail out everyone. Since then, billionaires from Warren Buffett to Elon Musk have said that commercial real estate is about to take a big dive, take more banks down, and reignite the crises. Cyber attacks are also becoming commonplace, and they are being sponsored by various countries that the US has sanctions against, such as Iran, Russia, Venezuela, and North Korea. Hardly a week goes by without hearing about serious cyber attacks against financial infrastructure. On August 7th, 2023, PayPal debuted their PayPal-USD stablecoin, also known by its ticker symbol, PYUSD. That got me thinking that maybe PYUSD could give the average person some level of protection from a problem in the financial system when debit or credit cards have problems. So, I ran some tests to see how this would work. This video is brought to you by PrivacyProShop.com, where you can find NemoMail, the anonymous email service over the onion-routed Lokinet, and high-performance Lokinet exit nodes that hide your IP address from both the sites you visit and from the exit node service provider. That's correct. We won't have any idea what your true IP address is. That's the power of Lokinet. You don't have to trust anyone's promises. Pay anonymously with the most common cryptocurrencies like Monero and Bitcoin. We also accept credit cards. Please note that I don't endorse the use of PayPal in any way. PayPal is not privacy friendly. It is a part of the surveillance state, and I hadn't used them in years prior to this test. I'm only exploring PayPal USD as a method of making digital payments for everyday items in crisis situations. What is a stablecoin and what is PayPal USD? Stablecoin is a cryptocurrency token that is tied to the value of a national currency. PYUSD is tied to the value of the United States dollar, hence the USD in its name. From the technical perspective, PYUSD is an Ethereum ERC20 token governed by Paxos Trust Company, a financial institution regulated by New York Department of Financial Services. As of August 31st, 2023, Paxos Trust's monthly report said PYUSD was 100% covered by US Treasury short-term debt and cash in bank accounts, and Paxos Trust is prohibited from using PYUSD funds for other expenditures. PYUSD can be converted to US dollars at Paxos Trust's website and sent to your bank account. PYUSD doesn't pay interest to its holders. PayPal and Paxos Trust earn interest on the holdings, and they for sure are not about to share it with you. PayPal USD's most compelling feature is its instant convertibility to dollars at PayPal. One PYUSD is always worth $1 at PayPal. You can hold PYUSD at your PayPal account or self-custody it in a standard Ethereum wallet. Self-custody keeps your PYUSD outside of PayPal and also outside of the banking system. When the need arises, you can send PYUSD from your Ethereum wallet to your PayPal account and use it for purchases at any PayPal merchant. PayPal is accepted at millions of online and also brick-and-mortar merchants, including Home Depot and Walmart. You can send PYUSD to other PayPal users for free within PayPal, and you can, of course, send it to anyone with an Ethereum wallet anywhere in the world. And since PYUSD is an ERC20 token, it can be traded on dozens of centralized and decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Some people have brought up the fact that PYUSD's Ethereum smart contract has code that allows PayPal to reverse transactions, freeze accounts, and completely wipe out PYUSD balances of those PayPal doesn't like. PayPal has a history of shutting off people they don't agree with, so them having access to wipe out PYUSD balances is troubling. However, in this video, I'm looking at PYUSD as a means of being able to make purchases when nothing else works, not as a way to send money to Canadian truckers. So, how well does PayPal USD actually work? I can report that it works really well. I purchased PYUSD with a debit card on PayPal and was immediately able to move some of it to my own Ethereum wallet. I paid for several eBay purchases with PYUSD that I had left in my PayPal account, then moved some of the PYUSD back to my PayPal account from my own Ethereum wallet, and everything went like clockwork. When you move PYUSD to an external wallet, PayPal deducts Ethereum gas fees from the PYUSD balance. Those gas fees can be substantial at times, so you might want to move larger amounts at a time. The fee is the same whether you send 10 PYUSD or 1,000 PYUSD or more. Moving PYUSD back to PayPal from an external wallet is easy. But again, gas fees apply, so you must have some Ether, which is abbreviated ETH, the native currency of Ethereum, in your wallet to be able to move your PYUSD out of your wallet. Yes, I know that sounds strange. Gas fees are fees that the Ethereum network charges to move PYUSD from one wallet to another. If you don't have ETH, the easiest way to get ETH is to buy it from PayPal and send it to the same Ethereum wallet you sent your PYUSD to. You don't need much ETH, so something like $20 in Ethereum should be enough for many transfers. So, how do I see PayPal USD helping in a crisis situation? Number one, if debit and credit networks are down due to a banking crisis or cyber attack, you can use PYUSD to send money to your PayPal account and use it to purchase items at retailers that accept PayPal. PayPal's network is at least partially independent of the banking networks, so there is a good chance that PayPal will work at least partially in a banking crisis situation. Number two, if a banking crisis or cyber attack has shut down access to your bank accounts long enough, making it impossible to make and receive payments, many retailers, landlords, other businesses, and private individuals will likely start accepting stablecoins like PayPal USD that operate on decentralized cryptocurrency networks. In other words, people will do what they have to do. So, if you are concerned about being able to make digital payments when traditional payment systems have trouble, go get yourself some PayPal USD. There's nothing to lose with PYUSD. If a disaster strikes, it might help you. If everything is normal, you can use it as normal money. What do you think? Are you going to get some PYUSD? Use the comments below or send me a message on Session Messenger, the most private messaging system on the planet. My session username is Privacy Pro Shop. Here is a step-by-step guide for getting, using PYUSD to buy things with, and moving PYUSD to your own Ethereum wallet. Buy PYUSD. Number one, log into your PayPal account as usual. Number two, buy some PayPal USD with a linked debit card or with your existing PayPal balance. Buy things with PYUSD online. Choose what you wish to buy and go to checkout. Choose PayPal, log into your PayPal account, and choose PayPal USD as the payment method. You may need to click Show More to show PayPal USD in the list. Then press Sell PayPal USD to continue, and the payment will happen. If PYUSD is not listed as a payment method, you can open the PayPal website or the PayPal app and sell PYUSD and therefore have it in your own PayPal balance. There are no transaction fees, so you can move money easily from PayPal balance to PYUSD and back. Send PYUSD from PayPal to an Ethereum wallet. Number one, download Cake Wallet to your phone. It's available on Google Play Store, iPhone App Store, and directly as an APK from cakewallet.com. Create an Ethereum wallet and choose PYUSD as a token to show in the wallet. Then tap Receive and copy the Ethereum address. Number two, open PayPal.com site on your computer or PayPal app on your phone, click Crypto, then click PayPal USD, click the transfer button next to Sell button, choose Send PYUSD, and paste your Ethereum address. Then enter the amount of PYUSD you wish to send and press the Next button. At that point, it will likely send you a text message to verify your identity, and then you can review the transaction. And press Send Now, and off it goes. Send PYUSD from Ethereum wallet to PayPal. Number 1. Open PayPal.com site on your computer or PayPal app on your phone. Click Crypto, then click PayPal USD, click the transfer button next to Sell button, click Receive PYUSD, and your PayPal USD address is shown as a QR code. You can also copy the address and or email the address to the sender. Number 2, open your Cake wallet, tap Send, and then tap the QR code reader and zap the QR code off the computer screen or paste the Ethereum address to the address field. Then choose the token to send, in this case PYUSD. Type in the amount of PYUSD to send, type in any notes you may want to add, and tap Send on the bottom. The wallet will then show the confirmation box with the amount and fee for the transfer, as well as the Ethereum address it is going to be sent to. If everything looks okay, tap OK to send. And that's all she wrote. If you're interested in digital privacy, cryptocurrencies, Session Messenger, Lokinet, and the Oxen Network, as well as other open source software, please check out some of the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.